I'm Olivia Tillman. I did 5 lessons here, and I had a variety of teachers. The one I had twice was Tena, and she really helped me. She kind of helped me to explain and get comfortable with the road, understand looking at all my mirrors, lane changes and all that stuff. And she also helped me to go through what we did for our last lesson is we went through the entire driving through experience to really get a feel of how it would be like what we would be judging on. We didn't talk at all, so we got the full experience. And then another instructor I had for one time was Charles, which he really helped me. He would stop, pull over on the side of the road, and explain concepts to me a lot. He would explain what signals mean, what to do at turns and all that stuff. He really went into depth with the explanations. And then an instructor I only had, I believe once, was Franklin, and he also helped to just kind of explain the concepts and explain how to parallel park in the real world, without cones and all that stuff. So each of them kind of helped explain different concepts of it. And overall, the class was really enjoyable and all that stuff, and it really helped me to prepare for the road.
Nice.
What?